Funny seeing you here. So here we are. Online school. I know this is not what everybody thought we were going to be doing this trimester, but hey, this is what's going on. And that's okay. That's all right. We're going to get through it one way or another. So today is day one, week one of Flexed Online Learning for Manga Computer Arts. So I just wanted to kind of quickly check base, touch in with you kind of thing, kind of give you an idea of how this whole world is going to work. Each week on Monday, I will put up a video of kind of like what we're doing right now, just kind of overview, game plan, big picture kind of stuff, kind of talking about what we're going to do and any pertinent information. Hopefully you can see right now on my screen, your screen, this is Schoology, right? So this is going to look a little different for me than it is for you. But if you go to Comic Manga Arts and then bump in here, see we have Extended Flex Learning, and it is broken up week by week of what we're going to do. So let's go check out week one. It's not fully updated yet, but we're going to have this Hello Week 1 video, which is right here, this week's schedule. So if we go to this week's schedule, you can see here it's going to show you what the plan is for the whole week, right? So goals for the week, what are we trying to do? What are we trying to accomplish? And then kind of a day by day, what the big picture kind of plan is. And so let's back up for a second, go back in here. So for this week, what we're going to do is we're going to kind of work on some basic stuff. So we're going to actually do, on Monday, we'll do some just like practice lines and that kind of stuff. There's going to be a little discussion board in there. So just to see how everybody's doing, checking in kind of stuff. On Tuesday, that we'll do I'm going to put a video up of a tutorial of how, just math, basically. How do we break down heads, proportions, that kind of stuff. And then, so you can try that out, practice it out. And then on our B day, or basically our A day and B day, is that you are going to do it, to draw some characters. And we'll have different levels for each, and you get to kind of choose where you're at. So we'll have like beginner, intermediate, and more advanced. And so, so depending on, no matter where you're at, there's going to be something for you. And a lot of this, kind of just getting started out is going to be practice, and we'll see how everybody's doing. On Friday, we are going to do kind of like a little share. We'll have a little discussion board up, and once again, depending on how your schedule's looking, all that kind of good stuff. One of the things I want you to be working on as well is the if you haven't finished yet. Oh, can I do full screen? Look at this. I don't know if you can see me. I think you can see me on full screen. But one of the things that we are going to do, or on Friday, is to just kind of share our little comic book cover stuff that we've done. So it's upside down. So this is the original one that I had, and then this is my little version of it. MF Doom, I don't know if you can see this or not, but MF Doom is a rapper that I really like, and he's Metal Face Doom is what it stands for, and then this is like one of the DJs that he did, and this is the title of that album. So, but yeah, so on Friday we'll do a little share and discussion board and that kind of stuff as well. So, yeah, we're gonna get through this one day at a time, and hopefully we should have fun and learn a bunch of stuff, and I don't know, we'll try out some new different techniques and tools and that kind of stuff. And so Schoology is going to be one of our main resources, and then also, just like before, we'll have a class website, and I'll, whenever we need to go to the class website, I will make a link for it and put it on that day. So, yeah, we got this. So, yeah, go into Monday, check it out, see what's there, kind of bust some stuff out, go onto the discussion board, and let me know what you got. Send me some questions, all that kind of stuff. All right, people. Have a good day, a good week, and we'll go from there. Bye.